Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify sales tax nexus thresholds for small business with Avalara, detailed guide step by step clearly. To verify sales tax nexus thresholds for a small business using Avalara, begin by gathering your business information. Identify the states where you operate and generate revenue. Research each state's sales tax nexus laws, as they can vary significantly. Access the Avalara website and sign in to your account. Navigate to the Nexus section of the dashboard. Select the option to check Nexus thresholds for your specific states. Input the necessary business details, including gross sales and the number of transactions. Review the current Nexus thresholds for each state you are assessing. Compare your business data against these thresholds. Determine if your sales volume or transaction count meets or exceeds the Nexus criteria in those states. If you find that you exceed the thresholds, note the states where Nexus is established. Consider consulting Avalara's resources or customer support for clarification on your findings. Ensure that you stay updated on any changes in Nexus laws or thresholds in your states. Maintain accurate records of your sales and transactions for future reference. Regularly review your Nexus status, especially as your business grows or expands to new areas. Use this information to decide whether to register for sales tax collection in those states. Adopting these steps will help you effectively manage your sales tax obligations. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.